Grammy winner Sean Paul and Sia's hit track Cheap Thrills is featured on the big screen in MCU's Black Widow. The pop electronic 2016 tune was featured in Marvel Cinematic Universe's Black Widow movie soundtrack released last Wednesday. The action-packed spy thriller takes place between the Marvel's Captain America Civil War and Avengers Infinity War in 2016. This is acting. Now, reggae songstress Etana's latest project, dubbed Pamoja, debuted at number 11 on the sales-driven U.S. reggae albums chart with the first week sales of 44 copies. The album features 16 tracks with collaborations with Vybz Kartel, Damon Marley, Stonebwoy, and Alberosi, among others.
If I were your baby, oh, Kartel, I would give you so much more, baby. I would give you everything, darling. You won't ever need nothing. I'll give you all my love, my love. Give you all my love.
Pamoja is the follow-up to Etana's 2020 full-length release, Reggae Forever, nominated for a Best Reggae Grammy Award. Nigerian singer Wizkid made history as his song Essence is now the first Nigerian song to debut on the Billboard Hot 100 chart. The song, which also featured another Nigerian gem, Thames, debuted at number 82 on the Hot 100 chart this week. Billboard magazine made the announcement on Monday. The Billboard Hot 100 chart rankings are based on both digital and physical sales, radio play, and online streaming in the U.S. Essence is the fourth song on Wizkid's highly praised October 2020 album, Made in Lagos. I'm Deidre reporting for E! Prime.